You've ascended above the village, and now you're about to see the pinnacle single-family residence in all of Vail. Spraddle Creek Estates is Vail's only full-service gated community. With only 14 home sites and year-round caretaker access, it offers a rare combination of privacy, exclusivity, and convenience. With over 11,000 square feet, this is one of the largest single-family homes in all of Vail. It offers 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, private office, open concept grand kitchen, living, dining, and a whole wellness wing, including a gym, sauna, cold plunge, and hyperbaric chamber. Waking up to panoramic views of Vail Mountain, you can check the lift status before you finish your first cup of coffee. We're standing in the secluded primary suite that showcases the unmatched level of custom detail seen throughout the house. The primary suite also has its own private heated balcony, oxygenation system, and opulent spa-inspired master bathroom. Sitting on over 6 acres, not only is 1326 Spraddle one of the largest single-family homes in Vail, it's also the largest lot, and the biggest competitive advantage of the home is the view you see behind me. 180-degree panoramic views of Vail Mountain all the way over to Beaver Creek. And an available club membership provides seamless ski and ski out access to the snow. If you want to experience the ultimate in mountain luxury, you know where to find us.